Oh no, red flag. Oh no, what the? Sick. Oh my god, it's so soft. So what are we doing today? What's the schedule?
Oh, there we go.
Where's the gear? You told me to be full geared up, and then you're...
I love how you've come pre-prepared.
Okay.
This is my gear.
Alright. It's Aussie gear.
Yeah, Aussie gear.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly. You
Alright.
pay enough, you wear what you want.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, you're out straight up.
Oh, nice!
Yeah. Do you know what, if you're session 1 or 2?
No idea.
Okay, do both.
Yeah.
I'll find out. What are they going to do? Kick you out?
Yeah, I know. I also do the media session probably too, because I'm media as well. So.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Is that you?
That is me as well. So that I literally jump out of one, jump straight into the other.
You're practicing for double car entry for N24, right?
Yeah, let's sort that out.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, do you want to schedule as well?
Yeah, maybe just in case.
Morning, everyone.
Group 2.
We're group 2. Alrighty.
Alright.
So we can have a bit of a nap. Alright, driver's briefing done. Picked up all the necessary stickers and the transponders.
Are you trying to slow us down? Is this your strategy?
Yeah. Make us all heavier, make
Oh
Misha
my
heavier.
god, what is this? I don't know what it is, but I need it.
It's a cinnamon donut with custard in the middle.
Ah, dude.
Wow. Oh my god, it's so soft. I need that. Let's pretend it's just fried egg, okay? Because it's also yellow and stuff. Dude, it's the best thing ever.
It is?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. I need like a pack of those. That's
slow, mate.
No, that's okay. It's another driver excuse.
Well, just make sure all the other drivers eat one too.
Yes. Oh yeah, BOP.
Oh, yeah,
That's
exactly,
a BOP.
exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm doing splitter upgrades.
Yeah, yes,
Sparks.
that's exactly right.
Sparks. Yes.
You want titanium or stainless?
Well, titanium would be sparks.
We'll do it.
Yeah, then these, so 1, 2,
Yes.
beautiful.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Woo! Thank you so much. Shout out to Sydney Composites.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Oh no, red flag. Oh no, what the hell? Today is such a good day. Really looking forward to be driving the car again, getting to know it a bit better, applying different techniques. Actually also checking out some of the other cars because all of the time attack cars are here today. So lots and lots of cool stuff out here with lots of crazy aero. Look at that. This is basically our Speedster in like 2 years when we have unlimited budget. So cool. How you doing?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah, good.
You having fun in the Hyundai?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, cool.
How's the car? Running good?
It's going alright.
Yeah?
Just breathing because we put a new head on it
Alright.
about 2 weeks ago. We haven't had a test since it's been on the dyno, but that's it.
Cool. Yeah, it looks sick. I love the attention to detail. Like this is like one single piece.
Yeah. Well, she's glued up and under. But
Yeah. No, but it looks good.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Are you having fun while you're at it?
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm loving it. Every second of it.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's the car we saw on the track night. Oh, EG, my favorite. Beautiful. Is that a Supra?
Can we have 2, please?
They were too good, so yeah.
Oh no. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I know.
it's okay. You can send the invoice to Hyundai.
Send the invoice.
Let's go check out some other cars. And actually, look who we have here.
Hello.
It's Mr. Boosted Media. Probably the most realistic sim setup in the world.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Well, especially for DIY.
Yeah,
You should not
maybe.
confuse it for DUI. Because
There's a few pretty sweet setups out there. These
Yeah.
days, so it's pretty crazy.
yeah, but I love all the stuff, especially when you do the backburst. Like,
I've got another one posting tonight actually. Back.
Oh, nice. A lot of people have been messaging me that I should do Bathurst, and I hope one day, hopefully, definitely, yeah, we'll get there. So nice. I hope I can check out your sim setup one
Yeah,
day.
man. Next
So,
year, come up and
next year.
visit and make it happen.
Amazing. Give this guy a follow again. You cannot like distinguish real laps from the stuff that he's doing. Like, Jimmy, get your shit straight.
Good to see you.
So here we have the 4-time winner of World Time Attack Challenge, RP968 here. Here we have my mentor, Vulcan, almost giving me weight reduction by cutting up my legs with this Rodin. He's crying from happiness. Now it's a bit more quiet. Can you tell us more about this? Like numbers. Everyone loves numbers.
So
power, engine, downforces.
So 680 horsepower, 610 kilos or so without driver.
Yes.
So it's nearly 1-to-1 with a driver in it. It's a Cosworth V8. If you remember Top Gear years ago, this was the original Lotus T125 project that John Lacey and Jeremy Clarkson displayed on the show, but Rodin took the project over and refined it. So it's much more of a car now than what it was all that time ago, and it's loosely based off that sort of 2010 Lotus F1 era.
Yeah.
But with a customer engine in it. So the engine's extremely reliable for what it is. And yeah, it's extremely fast.
So what's the purpose of this car? Like, is it like, can you run in a series, or it's just like track day toy?
Effectively, like it's a Formula One car that you can access and run with a team of 2 people.
All right.
You know, so if you want to go to a track day, you want to experience what F1 is like. This is literal F1 performance from that era, and you can run it, you know, with 2-3 guys. Like, there's 3 buttons on the right side of the wheel to start the car.
Yeah.
There's a gear button, start. It's very, very basic and simple.
And it's YouTuber friendly with the GoPro mounts.
It's Misha approved.
Yes, fantastic.
Misha approved.
So what's the like ballpark figure of budgets?
I think this is about $650 to buy. Not
All right.
650,000, not
Yeah.
650.
Yeah. No, I know.
0.00.
Yeah.
I don't want to send bad inquiries, but
Yeah.
so $1 million Aussie, 650 US. So what's that like?
I think it's alright, because it's like, it's basically that's what GT3 cars cost, but this is much faster than a GT3 car.
Yeah.
What's the like running reliability wise kind of thing?
They've got a car over in New Zealand that they use regularly for guys like Liam Lawson, who Rodin sponsor, and all their F2, F3 and F4, so the athletes and kids. It's gone strong ever since. So I can't really speak for how many hours it's done, but you preheat the oil, you turn the key, and no one's worried about temperatures or anything like that.
Nice.
So yeah, seems relatively
easy, straightforward.
Relatively easy, yeah.
Nice, very cool. Well, aside from this, because this is a demo car, you're competing in this weekend, right?
Yes, exactly.
So what is that? It's like LMP meets something else.
It's a full freak show, isn't it? So, this is originally based off a Sintura S99 GT1 race car. So 1998, 99. The Sintura was developed and built to race in GT1 against stuff like a Lister Storm and those kind of Gran Turismo 2 cars.
Yeah.
And this car did a season of British GT1, and then it disappeared until now, basically. So this is a remake via Rodin, and they call it the RC10 because everything other than what is the homologated body and everything is fully bespoke designed by Rodin. So engine.
What engine is it?
It's a V10, naturally aspirated V10.
Wow. So it's actually louder than this, I think. Kind of, almost. It felt like it.
Yeah.
It felt like it, definitely.
I'm too busy trying to stay alive. I'm not listening.
So what's the power?
At the moment it's about 550, but we think in final form it can make sort of 650, 680 horsepower.
Well, is that a starter motor?
That's, effectively. So you start the car, old F1 style, jam that in there, turn it over. It idles at about 2,500.
2,500. Is it a left-hand drive or is it just open there?
No, that's just so they can talk to me before I go out.
Can we open the door and see what's in? Nice.
So if I squeeze in, sort of provisions for a second seat, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, all very fit for purpose. Like I'm 6 foot tall and I actually fit really nicely in this. So it's a bit of a squeeze to get in and out, but when you're in there, it's quite comfortable. There is a famous video of this car years ago for a driver change where they rip
out the driver.
They rip out the driver. That's this car.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Well, not this exact one, but the sister car of this.
Nice.
That's this. So carbon tub, but everything else Rodin. What is very time attack is the bride seat. So time attack's JDM based. Everyone loves the JDM cars. It's got a bride seat to please everyone. So
nice. So, and can you buy this as well?
yeah. So this, they think they can deliver the first customer car in 12 months, and it would be $1 million US. So
Okay.
more than that one.
Wow.
But much more user-friendly to drive. This is a lot easier to drive than
Yeah, okay, of course,
than
but
that
harder to operate as well.
Yeah. This at the moment, because it's in development stage, takes a team to run. But we're doing that so we can get the most out of the package.
Nice.
The other car, the Fzed, is proven. It's reliable. They know how to operate it, so it doesn't require a full team. This, for now, we'll put the effort in, run the full team. But the idea is that you can run it, relatively easily in time.
Nice. Oh, thanks for the intro. What times are you doing with this? Like
Just did a 29.
29, but I think you're limited by tires on this one.
Yeah, this only has a 280 section rear tire, which is tiny, man. Like, Stan's kids would kill us for being able to put a full hand over the
Yeah.
Yeah, the original car came with a 330, so
Wow.
we're missing like
So you have 50.
100 millimeter of tire.
Yeah.
But it's actually something fast. It's actually really fun to drive. Like it slides around on this tire. It's quite talkative. So with the bigger tire, it's settled it down. But for now, it's quite fun. So wait
Yeah.
to see to have a good time and display the product. And yeah, hopefully we're doing a good job.
Similar what we're doing with Ionic, I think.
Same
It's like
thing, man. We're not going to win outright.
No, we're gonna have fun.
But we're here to enjoy, have fun.
Exactly. Awesome. That's the spirit.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Wrap. Can I have one more? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Let's maybe have another look at the RP968. It's going so fast that the paint is even flying off it, or the wrap. Oh yeah. Some sick arrow. OnlyFans World Time Attack Edition. Sick. I think that's definitely worth $1 million. Are the donuts here yet? Did you bring the most important delivery?
We did.
Yes. How many boxes? Yes! Fantastic. I'm gonna steal one immediately. Oh, they're still warm.
Yeah.
You're the best box mates I could ever wish for.
Good luck today, Misha.
Cheers! I think group 1 is going out now and we are group 2 later on. So let me finish my donuts and do some laps.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Combining both worlds. Look at this.
Please just sign here.
Yeah.
And this piece here as well. So this piece will be, I think it's the sky. So if you can see this one. Oh, I'm gonna build the puzzle. It's gonna take me a while.
Super cool. Super nice.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you read this?
Can you read that for us?
Okay.
Show me.
ABC is for little enthusiast. A is for apex. B is for brake.
I can also learn from that.
Yes.
F is for fastback. I is for I-20N. I-30N.
run somewhere.
No. I have time for this, man. I've done enough driving. I'm learning.
Hand corner. M is for motorsport. N is for
Nürburgring.
Thank you, Misha.
Thank you guys. And he gave us one as a gift. Yeah.
Don't cry.
I'll try not to. Well, if you come to the ring, which we've been talking about for like years. Fun fact, I know Rod before I started doing YouTube. I've been doing it already for a decade. He's been quite an inspiration for me with like famous videos such as the I Crashed the Diablo and kidnapping UPS man. Speaking of rotors, maybe you can tell that story. It's an all-time YouTube classic. And I've been telling him like, hey, come over to the ring. And actually, your good buddy, Kevin Flynn, made over already 2 times in the meanwhile in the last 10 years. You have been done 0. So once you finish with your World Time Attack Challenge business here next year, come over to the ring, okay? So no excuses anymore. Hello. So cool. Sea of people. We should get down there. I'm beating your time. Can I be your TCR mate now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Imagine
Wow.
that.
And 24.
Never Green 24 hours.
Yeah.
You do like 12 hours, I'll do 12 hours.
Sounds legit. Hyundai.
Hyundai, please.
Come on. Easy.
Please.
Easy. Massive thank you to you for everything. For the start, helping us to build the aero kit, for setting up the car, building the cage. I don't even know where to start. The whole project wouldn't have been possible without you.
Look, I've got big backing from Hyundai Australia, so it makes my life easier because they have trust in me. I have amazing trust in you. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Thank you so much. I hope we get to build many more cars together.
Bring it on. I want to go bigger and better.
Yes,
Faster.
yes. Yeah, we're hungry for it now. We're definitely hungry. Thanks again. It was fantastic. Thank you.
Awesome, buddy.
Björn, also massive thank you to you for coming out all the way from Moispot. Yeah, we could have flew together. So all the data analysis was done by you. Usually running industry pool, today we're running time attack.
Yes.
Same, potato, just a bit shorter. Amazing, thank you so much. You helped me really improve my times. So hopefully we get to do a lot, much more. Maybe we can put it on the ring. Maybe we can build a car and put it like, imagine next year, like running e-pool, everyone will know what's up. That's not allowed, man. That's not. Oh, you're running Bilstein? Oh, they'll be happy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice. So.
I work for Bilstein.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. Oh, we're buddies then.
That's it. You work for Bilstein too?
Yeah. Well, I'm racing for them, so.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Very good.
What's the power you have? Like.
It's a 3.8 flat 6.
Wow.
Air cooled.
So it's like what, 600 horsepower?
900 at the wheels.
Horsepower?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Totally. Or not, but yeah, I love it. So cool. Sick. Wow. A big shout out to Narellan Bakery for all the donuts. Thank you so much. It was amazing. Ian, also massive thank you to you. It's been unforgettable. Ian is the main reason why I'm here because he actually asked Hyundai like, hey, would you like to invite this guy over? Yeah. So thank you so much.
Awesome, hey, and it's so good to see you again.
And after 11 years.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Awesome, rock on. Thanks, Misha.
See you next year. Woo!